I've got my package today. This is the Minimo Skin Essentials. It's actually the Glow Box. A coworker actually recommended this to me. I've never used it. I never heard of it beforehand. But I'm excited because she had a lot of really good things to say. But here we are. Minimo Glow Bundle. It's a pretty cool looking box, actually. I'm pretty excited to see what's in this. The whole box itself maybe costs like $80. I'm not sure. I'll double check. So what brought me to this Minimo Glow Box is I'm just looking for something to help me get my skin together. I have a lot of dry patches. I'm gonna close on it. Ooh. So you see, I have a lot of old scarring. And the cool part is that I heard something in here actually has like turmeric in it, so that should help even out my skin. I don't have eyebrows. I don't have eyelashes, but anyways, skin. Focus on it. Focus. So here I am. Usually when I get dry patches, they're here. You can kind of see here. I get a lot of weird stuff going around here and here. I technically have a nose ring here, so I've had to order like real gold nose rings because for some reason things are just making me break out now. And you know, now I still even get pimples whenever the cycle time's around. I really want to try this out for at least maybe like 30 days, you know, give it a fair try. 30 days to see how this works for me, see if anything, if I see any changes. So here we are. See my skin. Ooh. So it tells you how to use everything on the back. So as I go through the video and show you for the first time, I'm not going to keep you too long, but as I go through the video and show you the first time for everything, I'll just read these as I go. It has actually been a little longer than 30 days, I will say that. I started this and it was a little hard for me to get into this system of doing all of these products each day. I just felt like it was a lot of products, but when I did start actually skipping out on some of the products and just doing like the straight wash and then, you know, like the moisturizer, I realized like they all are a complete package and you should really follow through and use each one. And then when I did start using each product over and over and over, it actually became really simple, really easy. It wasn't time consuming or anything like that. So I will say that if you do buy the box, just use all the products, okay? I really didn't do too much of the clay mask. I only did that maybe a few times. When I did use it, it was really helpful. It's just that sometimes I would forget to just incorporate it like once a week. I think that's what it asked for. So this is my face after 30 days. Now, initially, maybe from back here, it doesn't really look that different, but up close, it is completely different. My face is more moisturized on a daily basis. I don't have to reapply moisturizer throughout the day like I used to have to. I used to have a lot of crusty areas. I'll post pictures of that. Now next to my noses, there is no crusty areas. My face feels different. And you know what's even crazier? I went to like only maybe 3 days after I even used the box because I started maybe on like a weekend or so. Came back to work and I was walking and my coworker was like, "You're glowing. Did you do something different to your skin?" I'm like, "Oh my gosh, you noticed?" So I mean, I'm really, really happy. I'm going to continue to use this product. I will say that it's not like something where you use it let's say a month and you can stop. I mean, you know, like your face isn't gonna automatically start breaking out right afterwards or anything like that, but like you will need to continue to use it to keep up with the moisturization of your face and just it looking different and feeling different. I do feel a lot better. It's pretty. You see, I have lots of different textures. I really enjoyed the mask. My favorite one maybe was the turmeric mask, the turmeric scrub. You know, I left it on. Sometimes I would like forget about it and leave it on for like 20 minutes. And I mean, my face would just be so moisturized the next day. The toner was great. Everything is really good that came to be a part of this package. So I do recommend the Minimo Glow Box, maybe any of the other Minimo products. I also had the derma roller, but I did not use that. I might use it on another one. I'm trying to look up, you know, different ways to use it so I can have more success. I just didn't want to incorporate too much and, you know, be overwhelmed basically. So that's all for today. This is my after look. I feel happy. I feel clean. Oh, and you know, even whenever my lady time comes around each month, I usually do break out really bad. So that's why, you know, I have some scarring on my face from when I used to break out really bad from that time of the month. And only 1 month did I have just a small bump. And even after that, it was there for like a day. No lie, it was there for a day. I did my mask. I left my mask on there. I left it alone. And then the next day, it really was not there. And so, you know, like I'm okay with that because I break out so bad that I was surprised that it was able to help control that. I don't know if that's the goal of this product, but I do know that that did help with that. So, all right, guys, if you have any questions, drop them below. I do thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Bye.